viewers, welcome to WordPress Bangladesh. Today I will show how to create personal or business email account from your own domain and from your own cPanel. So first I am showing how to log into your website cPanel. Just type your domain name .com, then clone 2083 or \cpanel. After that you have to type here username and type here password, then click login. Please see, I just log into my domain hosting cPanel. Now scroll down from the email section, click here email account. Okay, here is showing few account. For the test I here show how to create a new account. From the right, create email account. Suppose support. Set password here. Here is the storage space. You can change anytime. I just here type 500 MB. Send a welcome email with instruction to set up a mail client. If you keep tick mark this, the hosting provider will send an email with details instruction for how to set up mail client like Outlook Express, mobile phone or other mail client. Okay, so it is better to keep tick mark, then click create. Or you can set generate password, it's up to you. Create. Success, you created support at your own domain.com. So if you after create, if you want to modify, suppose this email account email quota 200 MB, click manage. You can change the space 200 to 500 MB, then update email setting. You updated the storage space for this email account. So now I think you can create email account. Also if you want you can delete manage from manage. You can delete this email account. Okay, delete. So you can delete now any email account. You can create any email account from your cPanel. You can give more space or you can decrease the email space from your own cPanel. So thanks for watching this video. Bye for today.